Welcome back to another unboxing episode of Beats, Kicks, and Life. I, of course, am your host, John Law, and today we've got a special unboxing for you. I know it's been a bit. We have been working tirelessly on a new EP and a music video, and things have just been really moving quickly, and we're very, very grateful for these opportunities. But, we have missed you guys over here at BKL, and it felt like the right time to show you something new. So, without any further ado, let's get to this unboxing. Of course, y'all remember Knifey. Can't go anywhere without her. Wow, this is really some serious tape. There we go. Let's see what we got. So, this is kind of a tiny box. The hell? Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, you know what? It's fine. Let's do a review on these anyway.
We'll do it live!
These are the Air Jordan 1 in the Pollen colorway. Nike is doing a new thing where they are shrinking down sneakers so you can try and put them on your hands for walking, The jig is up. If you can't tell, these are toddler size shoes. They actually go on a small infant's foot. So we do have the other sizes as well, because when you have a family, you got to complete the collection. So
complete the set.
Right, we've got. Let's lay out the set here. Let's do it. We also got the misses sizes. Boom, boom. Got this little jammy and this one. Thanks for the help. Boom,
Boom!
full family sizing right there. Needless to say, but we're going to say it anyway, we're having our first baby.
And she already has her first pair of J's.
Yeah.
She's not even born yet.
Yeah, you know how it is, though. You got to have those first pairs. Those crucial initial first pairs that define your, sneakerhead status. And you can never start too young. Plus, look at these things. Tell me that's not the most adorable thing you've ever seen. Yeah.
And she won't fit them for years.
The detail is crazy. Look at these. They are like exact. That's wild. I'm not going to bore you with all the details on the, it's a standard Jordan 1. The leather is actually really soft, which I
Yeah.
like. Tumbled toe box, nylon tongue, same things as usual. But, truth be told, this is great, but it's really the feet that it's going to go on that we're the most excited
true
about.
unboxing in here.
Right, exactly. This will be the drop that we're waiting for. So,
On January 13th, 2022.
big time.
So excited! So excited!
We're just going to keep it nice and simple and just say thank you to everyone who has supported us in this adventure. Thank you to Sam, who is always there for us. He's filming this right now. He's helping us out with the music video. So it's great to have a brother and a partner that we can count on and rely on. Thank you to our friends and family. And anything else?
Speechless.
Speechless. So to the one on the way, you've got your Jordans. They're right here waiting for you for when probably you're a little bit older.
Yeah,
But
when you make your appearance.
The mother rhino is giving birth.
yeah, that's going to do it for us over here at Beats, Kicks, and Life. You never know. We might spring up with a unboxing if it feels right. Anything else?
Thanks for watching.
Thank you so
Stay
much for
tuned.
watching. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and until next time, peace.